let's talk on one other thing that'll make the furnace not run. Oops. Not supposed to smack the camera stand, but oh well. Pressure switch right here. What's the whole purpose of it? It is a safety. The whole purpose that if this motor doesn't run, turn it off. If the squirrel cage inside is crystallized, don't let it run. You lose pressure going through there, don't let the furnace run. You're just there to prove airflow, be it through the venting system up, combustion air, something. It's a safety to make sure your furnace is not running with a clogged vent or in a dangerous situation. That's the one thing we have to keep in mind. One thing too, I have seen it where the burner's light shuts off, acts like the flame sensor, when in reality it came to a pressure switch problem. But it wasn't a bad pressure switch. No, it was the pressure switch is good, the hose is good, the port, the little port where that orange hose goes to on the inducer motor was plugged up. You'll find that very common. Crawl spaces that are kind of damp. It is very, very, very common in that. All you have to do, knock the crystallizing, whatever it is, out of there. It'll have enough air density to start it, but once it fires up, you don't have the air density anymore, and kicks it out. And it won't give you a fault code. It just, you have to see what's going on and understand what is happening. All you have to do, very carefully, grab the hose, plug it out. While the hose is off, inspect it. If it seems like it's cracking, any splits or anything, replace it. That's all that is. No cracks, no splits. Yes, that's me blowing air through it. So let's check that port. I think we're going to be pretty good. That's the port that plugs up sometimes. And all you do is just slide the hose on there, and that's it. Not too complicated, is it? You want to see it go back on? Just like this. Put the thingy in the hole, and just like here, you put the thingy in the hole just like that.